Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Irfan Fuadi, Program Studi Teknologi Informasi, NIM 2412010002. The topic is Beyond the Screen: Decoding the Future of Higher Education. A comparative analysis of student preference, academic effectiveness, and psychological well-being across offline, online, and hybrid learning ecosystem. The modality paradox, executive summary. The offline reality, highest academic effectiveness and cognitive retention, but fundamentally rigid on location bound. The online reality, maximum flexibility and cost efficiency, but inherently triggers social isolation and cognitive friction. The hybrid imperative, the inevitable synthesis. It requires intentional pedagogical design, not merely technological patching, to capture the benefits of both worlds. Defining the modern learning ecosystem: offline or luring, synchronous physical presence, high social interaction, traditional structure, environment; online or daring, digital environment, synchronous or asynchronous, grant students self-directed control over time, place, and pace; hybrid, blended pedagogical model, integrates face-to-face classroom time with computer-mediated activities, maximize the unique advantage of both modalities. The student verdict: physical classrooms dominate comprehension. 4.4 offline, 3.0 online. 78% students who struggle to understand material purely online. 83% students who find academic interactions significantly easier offline. Despite growing up digital, students overwhelmingly declare physical classrooms superior for academic comprehension and interaction. Deep dive: the offline cognitive and social advantage. Two-way communication enables spontaneous clarification, utilizing nonverbal cues, body language, facial expressions, tone. Social presence builds vital academic relationship and peer-to-peer emotional support system essential for motivation. Structured environment forces physical focus, curtails multitasking, and limits environmental distractions. High motivated students: 75% offline versus 45% online. Peak quality of teaching 3.38/4.00. The Carroll diagnostic: offline versus online effectiveness. The anomaly, while offline learning clearly dominates in comprehension and teaching quality, online learning uniquely forces students to develop higher independent perseverance and self-regulations. Deep dive the friction of pure online learning, friction map, infrastructural friction, signal instability, device limitations, and the realities of the digital divide, motivational friction, digital fatigue, multitasking temptations, and the inability to maintain a learning attitude in a non-academic domestic environment. Pedagogical friction over reliance on one-way communication leading to cognitive overload and diminished teaching quality. Online learning obstacle score 3.9 per 5.0, highest friction rating of any modality. The physiological toll of the screen, mental health heat map 64.8% students experiencing physiological issues during remote learning, anxiety 64.8%, depression 61.5%, case stressors, academic delays, economic anxiety, loss of physical social support networks, average stress rate 55.1% Indonesian remote students versus 66.3% global baseline. Mitigating the digital gap, the student toolkit, time architecture, deploying the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes of intense focus, 5 minutes of rest to combat digital fatigue, environmental control, creating dedicated learning space, and enforcing strict digital notification blackouts. Physiological care, scheduling deliberate physical activity, and joining virtual social learning groups to combat isolations. Cognitive mapping, utilizing digital mind mapping to visually structure complex concepts and improve retentions. Synthesis, the modality evaluation matrix, designing the hybrid sweet spot, the flipped classroom, conceptual learning and theoretical reading happen online, practical application, critical discussion, and lab work happen offline. Offline advantage, unmatched for deep interaction, spontaneous debate, and high comprehension. Online advantage, unmatched for flexibility, cost efficiency, and independent preference building. The myth of modality driven time management, 58% of students really struggle with independent time management regardless of whether they are learning fully online or poorly offline. Data reveals a surprising truth. Independent time management struggles are universal. Modality change will not fix this. Institutions must teach time architecture explicitly as a core competency. Institutional blueprint designing the hybrid future. Step 1, invest in equitable infrastructure. Step 2, upskill faculty pedagogically. Step 3, integrate psychological support. Conclusion and strategic imperatives. Number 1, human connection is irreplaceable. Technology cannot replicate the cognitive clarity and emotional safety of physical face-to-face presence. Number 2, flexibility demands discipline. The freedom of online learning requires explicitly teaching students new skills in perseverance and self-regulation. Number 3, hybrid is the standard, not the exception. The future belongs to institutions the intentionally designed blended ecosystems combining the profound depth of the classroom with the boundless reach of the cloud. Uh, Source material and reference. Thank you.